So today our objective is to solve word problems involving direct and inverse proportion. Here's a table showing the time taken to cover a certain distance. Suppose you're walking at a constant speed for each of the distance covered. It means that in 5 hours you walk 20 kilometers, in 8 hours you walk 32 kilometers, in 10 hours you walk 40 kilometers. Of course, it therefore means that the distance traveled is proportional to the time, as you can see, because you're walking at a constant speed. The speed equals distance over time. It means that when you divide the distance by time, 20 divided by 5, 32 divided by 8, 40 divided by 10, you get a constant speed of 4 kilometers per hour. So the distance equals speed multiplied by time. Alright, so the formula connecting the variables is D equals 40. Suppose you go on a car journey of 240 kilometers. If the car travels at 60 kilometers per hour, the journey will take 240 divided by 60, which will give you 4 hours. If the car travels at 80 kilometers per hour, the journey will take 240 divided by 80, which will give you 3 hours. If the car travels at 120 kilometers per hour, the journey will take 240 divided by 120, which will give you 2 hours. Therefore, it means that the speed and time are in inverse proportion. Why? Because as the speed increases, the time decreases. Alright, so speed multiplied by time will give you the distance. As you can see from the table of values shown there. So the formula connecting the variables, the speed and time, is ST equals 240. Okay. Example 1. Two variables x and y are in direct proportion. When x equals 80, y equals 16. Work out a formula for y in terms of x. Of course, you know that it is directly proportional if y equals kx, where k is the constant number. So you need to find the value of k. Of course, remember that the general equation for direct proportion is y equals kx. So we make k the subject of formula. We have k equals y divided by x. We substitute y to be 16, then x to be 80. By the time you divide, you have 0.2 or you have 1 over 5. So our constant number is 0.2 or 1 over 5. So the formula connecting the variables is y equals 0.2x, or you can as well say y equals 1 over 5x, since the constant number is 0.2. Example 2. Two variables p and q are in inverse proportion. When p equals 20, q is 7. Work out a formula connecting p and q. Of course, you know that it is inversely proportional if pq equals k. Alright, where k is the constant number. So all you need to do is to multiply p by q. Alright, then you have 140. It therefore means that the formula connecting the variables p and q is pq equals 140. Thank you.